What's up everybody? Noah from Stage 3 Motorsports here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install these Morimoto replacement grille lights for your 10 to 14 Raptor. When you pop the hood on your truck, you'll see that the lights are mounted from the back, and we're just going to need a 5/16 socket here, and then a little extension will help, and we're going to remove these two nuts holding the back of the light. Once you have both nuts off, you can just slide the light back off these posts, just like that. And then there's going to be a connector at the top of the grill. We're going to push down on it and just wiggle it to get it pulled back off the light. There we go. All right, now we're going to use a pry tool here to pop this plastic clip out that's holding it. Now we're going to take our new Morimoto housing and we're going to slide it over the plastic posts here. Put that into place. Then we're going to reuse the factory hardware. Now for our connector here, you can transfer the old yellowed plastic over if you want to try and hold this connector to the top of the grill. For ours, most of these either broke or all the little pins on the side of it kind of chipped off because we live in the desert and plastics don't fare very well out here. So I'm gonna use a zip tie to tie this up through that factory hole to hold everything in place, and that should be no big deal. So there you have it. It's pretty simple to install these little LEDs, and they're a little different from factory. The first thing you'll notice when you get them out of the box is that the lenses are smoked, so when they're turned off, the color kind of blends with the color of the grill, and they're a bit less noticeable, especially if the plastic has started to yellow on your old factory lights. The other thing that's clearly different is the actual LED within it is now a strip instead of multiple separated LEDs like the factory bulbs had. So overall, they have a pretty clean, modern look, and this could be a really good replacement for you if you've got some worn out lights or burnout bulbs within them. Now, if you're interested in picking up a set of these Morimotos, we'll have some links down in the description that'll shoot you over to our website. And as always, thank you guys for watching.